What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Spell Token. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing: it has pumped up in value 10%, currently trading at 0.00089195. So what we're going to be going through today is, where is it heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? Or is it going to be trading at its current price range? And also, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it just time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and look at both short-term and long-term prediction on this crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website and the market is down just about 0.3% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And we do have Spell Token as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. You can see here in the last hour itself, it managed to gain 5%. It did hit about 10% about an hour ago. However, it has taken a slight dip in value over the last 24 hours, 10% up, over the week 20%, and over the month a massive 53% up guys. As you can see, slow and steady increase in value over the last 4 weeks, and again it's been performing very well all up until today, where it had a major increase in value. But that's what we're going to be going through in more detail today. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 280% in the last 24 hours, making it $50 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Spell Token. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. And as you guys can see, over the last 4 weeks, has been consistently gaining value. Yes, it's had its dips here and there, but overall it has been performing very well. So we are going to see a lot more investors investing into the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Spell Token, which is here in purple, 0.000741. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in green at 0.000823, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer as usual: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. However, as you guys can see, we are looking quite steep, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why we're looking very steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 12 to 14 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, even though yes, I'm expecting it to overall increase in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs. I'm expecting a minimal increase in value, and yes, in between that time, I'm expecting it to drop back down as well. As you guys can see, after every pump there is a little dip, as you can see, that's taking place earlier today, taking place right now as well. So yes, do expect more red candlesticks over the coming 12 to 14 hours, but do expect green candles as well. It just means the green candles are going to overtake the red ones, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should expect over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, very similar. We've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards a positive direction. So once again, it is not realistic. However, over the coming days, over the next week or so, so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting once again an overall increase in value from Spell Token. So by towards the end of next week, we should be trading above this current price range here, potentially heading to 0.001 cents in target. But again, It depends on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, Spot token since the start of 2023 has been performing very well, and hopefully we can maintain that for the rest of the month and for the rest of the year as well, heading towards the bullish direction. Now, moving on to the daily chart, we are still looking bullish, still looking positive, but we're not looking as steep as the previous chart, meaning it's much more realistic, guys. So once again, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Spot token over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid-March to late March 2023. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Spot token. And again, it's not going to be very minimal. I'm expecting it to head upwards quite a bit, potentially up to about 0.0012 cents in target. But again, it is going to be a slow and steady increase in value. It's not going to be a major pump out of nowhere and then a drop down in value. That's not really sustainable. What we want is a slow and steady increase, just like what's been happening over the last couple of weeks. Hopefully we can maintain that for the next few weeks and months as well, pumping up to about 0.0012 cents in target. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Spot token. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are far away from hitting the resistance target to head into the green zone. As you guys can see, we need to hit about 0.008 cents in target, which we are not even close to at the moment. So again, I'm not expecting us to head into the green zone anytime this year or potentially even next year, but that doesn't matter. As long as we slowly and steadily start to head upwards towards the resistance target, we should be good to go. But again, yeah, there's no way we are getting anywhere near the resistance target anytime soon, because that's going to require a major increase for us to go through, which I'm not expecting from Spot token. But yeah, let me know your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto in my previous Spot token updates and in my DMs as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it from me for Spot token. Again, predictions may change depending on, if there's a major crypto crash or a major crypto bull run or price pumps. That will have an impact in a positive or negative way, not just on Spot token but the whole crypto market in general. And anything that I can predict, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So guys, it's free to subscribe, so why not help me out? And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today and tomorrow. On that note, take care and peace.